Now let's start with the 2025 October paper, question number 2. So in the question number 2, they are asking the first 3 ascending powers of the x. Since it's ascending powers, we know the common theory is whenever we have a plus b to the power n, what we would have is we have sigma r to the power 0 to n with the NCR notation. It will be a to the power n minus r and b to the power r. So since x is the second term, we can go accordingly. Now in the question, they are asking the first 3 terms. First 3 terms in the sense when r equals 0, it will give you the term 1. For the term 1, that is going to be 6 and 0 because our n is 6, which is the power here, that is the n value, a to the power n minus r, and the other one would be negative x divided by 2 to the power 0. Similarly, when the r equals 1, what we would have is the t2, which would be 6, 1, 2 to the power 6 minus 1, and negative x divided by this 10 to the power 1. And when the r equals 2, which gives you the t3, that would be 6, 2, and 2 to the power 6 minus 2, and the negative x divided by 2 to the power 2. So similarly like this, we can get the answers. We know I'll just do a one example and show you how to do the 6, 0. How does that comes is factorial 6 divided by factorial 0 times 6 minus factorial. So if I write the common way, it's n factorial divided by r factorial and n minus r factorial. So in here we have that, so this would give you 1. And if we need the factorial 6 comma 1, that would give us factorial 5, factorial 1, and the 6 minus 1, which is 6 factorial, 1 factorial, and the 5 factorial, which will give you the number 6. Similarly, the last example, which is 6, 2, that would give us 6 factorial, 2 factorial, and the 6 minus 2, which is 4 factorial. And that would give us the values. Okay, now the factorial stuff are done. So let's go back to this one. Let me actually get this little bit lower so that we have a little bit space to work the remaining simplifications. Okay, now for this one, we have the first form, so we know 6 factorial 1 was 1. So t1 is going to be 1 times 2 to the power 6 and 1. So that will give us the t1 as the first term, which is 64. Now let's go with the T2. We have 6, 1, so which is here 6 times 2 to the power 5 times negative x divided by 2. So that would give us negative 96 x. So you can do the number stuff separately, and the T3, that would give us 6x2, which is we can take that, and then is gonna be 15 times 2 to the power 4 times x squared divided by 4. So we would again get the value as this, so it is going to be 60 x squared. So we get all our T1 and a T2 and the T3, so they are the each term, so this will carry all the marks. Thank you.